The sports fashion industry has undergone a remarkable transformation from basic cotton t-shirts and shorts of the past to a multi-billion-dollar industry today, driven by innovation, technology, and a heightened focus on sustainability and ethical production. The future of sports fashion is shaping up to be an exhilarating and rapidly evolving field. With advancements like 3D printing, advanced materials, wearable technology, and personalized clothing, the possibilities for sports fashion seem endless. Join us as we dive into the latest trends and innovations that are shaping the sports fashion industry and take a glimpse into what the future holds. The impact of technology. Hey there, gear up sports enthusiasts. Have you noticed how rapidly technology is transforming the sports fashion industry? From the use of advanced materials to 3D printing and wearable technology, it's an exciting time to be a part of this evolving world. Gone are the days of boring cotton shirts and uncomfortable shorts. Thanks to innovative materials like synthetic fibers and moisture-wicking fabrics, sportswear is now more comfortable and functional than ever before. Not only do these materials keep athletes cool and dry during intense workouts, but studies have shown that they can also reduce skin temperature by up to 3.6 degrees Fahrenheit. But it's not just the materials that are evolving. With the help of 3D printing, companies are creating intricate and customized designs that were once impossible to achieve using traditional manufacturing methods. The global 3D printing market for the fashion industry is expected to reach $1.3 billion by 2025. With a whopping CAGR of around 22% during the forecast period. And let's not forget about wearable technology. With features like GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and even air conditioning, athletes can now track their performance in real time and make adjustments as needed to improve their game. The global wearables market is expected to reach $54.9 billion by 2027, with a growth rate of 17.4% during the forecast period. All of these advancements are not only improving the functionality of sports fashion, but they're also changing the game when it comes to style. Say goodbye to boring gym clothes and hello to trendy, comfortable, and functional sports fashion. Get ready to perform at your best while looking your best. Sustainability and ethics. Listen up, fashion-forward athletes. The sports fashion industry is stepping up its game when it comes to sustainability and ethics. As consumers become more aware of the impact their clothing choices have on the environment and society, companies are making major changes to their production processes. One of the biggest ways companies are going green is by using eco-friendly materials. From organic cotton to recycled polyester, they're sourcing materials that are better for the environment. In fact, the global organic cotton market is expected to reach $29.8 billion by 2027. With a growth rate of 7.9% during the forecast period. By using sustainable materials, they're not only reducing the environmental impact of their clothing, but also making it more sustainable for the long term. But it's not just about the materials. Companies are also implementing sustainable manufacturing processes, such as using renewable energy sources, reducing water usage, and minimizing waste. And guess what? Consumers are willing to pay more for sustainable products. According to a survey, 67% of consumers are willing to shell out extra for eco-friendly options. Talk about putting your money where your mouth is. As a result of these changes, consumers are becoming more conscious of the ethical and environmental impact of their clothing choices. They're seeking out clothing that is not only fashionable and functional, but also sustainable and ethically produced. And the sports fashion industry is taking notice. We can expect to see more and more companies making changes to their production processes in order to meet this growing demand. So, let's support sustainability and show the industry that we care about the environment and the people behind our clothes. It's time to hit the gym in style and with a clear conscience. Personalization and customization. Say goodbye to boring, cookie-cutter sports fashion. With the latest advancements in technology and manufacturing, customization and personalization are taking the sports fashion industry by storm. One of the most exciting ways this is happening is through the use of cutting-edge technologies such as 3D printing, digital printing, and custom-fit software. These breakthroughs allow consumers to create their own unique designs and styles, from customized athletic shoes to one-of-a-kind workout gear. According to research, 3D printing can reduce production time by up to 90% and production costs by up to 60%, meaning you can get the perfect, personalized item faster and for less. But it's not just about individual consumers. Companies are also taking advantage of the trend towards personalization and customization to set themselves apart. By offering a wide range of customization options, companies are empowering consumers to create clothing that reflects their personal style and taste. In fact, the global customized clothing market is projected to reach $13.5 billion by 2027, growing at a CAGR of 7.7% during the forecast period. This exciting trend is transforming the way we think about sports fashion, allowing consumers to break free from the confines of mass-produced clothing and express their individuality like never before. And for companies, it's an opportunity to forge deeper connections with customers and cultivate lasting brand loyalty. By 2020, the personalization market is expected to reach a staggering $7.8 billion, so get ready for a world where sports fashion truly reflects your unique style and personality. The future of sports fashion. The sports fashion industry is undergoing a continuous evolution with new trends and innovations shaping its future, and the prospects look brighter than ever. This video highlights some of the exciting developments that we can expect to see in the coming years. One of the most significant trends is the use of advanced materials. Manufacturers are now incorporating smart fabrics, biodegradable plastics, and even plant-based materials into their designs, making them not only sustainable but also functional. Smart fabrics, for instance, feature embedded technology that enables them to interact with the wearer, the environment, and other devices. Biodegradable plastics, on the other hand, can be broken down by microorganisms in the environment, and their use can significantly reduce the environmental impact of sports fashion. According to reports, the global smart textile market is expected to grow to $14.9 billion by 2025. With a CAGR of approximately 15.5% during the forecast period. Another trend is the use of new technologies such as 3D printing, virtual reality, and augmented reality. These technologies not only enable companies to create complex and customized clothing designs, but they are also changing how we shop for and interact with clothing. 3D printing, for instance, enables the creation of highly customized and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional manufacturing methods. Virtual and augmented reality allow consumers to preview how the clothing will look and fit on them before making a purchase. According to reports, the global 3D printing market for the fashion industry is projected to reach $1.3 billion by 2025, with a CAGR of around 22% during the forecast period. The future of sports fashion is also being shaped by new design trends, including streetwear-inspired athletic clothing and ethically produced, sustainable clothing. Consumers are increasingly aware of the environmental and social impact of their clothing choices, and they are seeking clothing that is not only fashionable and functional, but also environmentally sustainable and ethically made. The global sustainable fashion market is expected to reach $9.81 billion by 2025. According to reports. Conclusion. The future of sports fashion is a dynamic field that is constantly evolving, driven by various trends and advancements. These include the use of advanced materials like smart fabrics and biodegradable plastics, as well as new technologies such as 3D printing, virtual reality, and augmented reality. These developments are making sports fashion more sustainable, functional, and stylish. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.